It is time for the shop weekend update. I'm not in the shop. I finished up today. Got a lot done. I got the countertop for Pineview. That is 90% done. I had to bug Dana to help me carry it. She was real happy about that. She's sitting right there off camera. She's still aching. So we got that moved in the garage. So tomorrow I'll get that, have that wrapped up this week for install on Saturday. That's for the Pineview countertops. The countertops for the house on Route 60. Those are coming along nicely. Those are ready to install the following weekend. So I got pictures of both those. I'll mix in here somewhere. I started a project for a house on Lake Road in Vermilion, a beautiful home. They had this big sink and they needed a place to put, she didn't want to put a shelf up, so I made a sink caddy, goes across the sink. You'll see the pictures. That turned out real nice. It's about halfway done. She got the final approval today on that. Cutting boards, did 6 walnut edge grain cutting boards. Got those almost done. Those are being delivered on Saturday. I'm delivering those to the person who's going to ship them out. I got a cherry end grain with a hard maple edge border. That's in there on oil right now. I finished up a charcuterie board with walnut and the blue resin. That's all wrapped up. I got a couple signs done. I got this great big, it's on sapele or mahogany, Coast Guard American flag sign. That's all done on my end. Tomorrow, Monday, that's going to go to Jimmy's tent. He's gonna put some stickers on there. I'm gonna put the logo, the decals on it and get that sealed, get that delivered. What else did I do this week? Signs, some organizing, a little bit of cleaning, getting that wrapped up. I did sell another project yesterday. I'm gonna be doing a sapele bar top on a party boat coming to Vermilion. So met with the owner of that project as well as the metal fabricator who's doing the work on the boat. It's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be a boat that's gonna be in the Vermilion River. It's gonna go up and down. It's gonna be BYOB. You can party and they'll give you a little tour of the river. So working on that project. I started milling up the wood for the oak door in Vermilion for the historic home. It has a nice arc along the top. It's gonna be a pretty challenging job, but it should be pretty good. My buddy Bike is gonna do the installing on that. And then I'm also going, I think this week, to meet with my buddy Dustin to start this. We already have the wood for his cherry dining room table, but we're gonna start laying it out and picking the pieces we want for the top and stuff like that. So a really productive week in the shop. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but I think that was it. I did look at a building this week for a new shop space, but it wasn't going to work. So the search continues for a new shop space. But Saturday, all done in the shop. Got the grass mowed today. Got the Traeger going. The Traeger's over there smoking right now. Charlie's chilling out. Charlie, say hi to everybody. And that's it. So thanks for everybody who put an order in this week. I'm still... as of right now, I am booked until for large pieces, furniture size pieces. Right now, I'm booked till October. So doesn't mean you can't get something on. If you want to get something made, you have to get in the list, which means we got to meet now, go through design, get the deposit. The only way to get yourself on the list for October is to get on the list. Cutting boards right now are 2 weeks. I got a bunch in stock still, so if you need a cutting board, I can still get you a cutting board within 2 weeks. So if anything else, let me know. If not, have a great week.